to my Battle of the Snack Boxes series. This is part 1. I have ordered from 4 different snack box monthly subscription companies, and I wanted to find out which one is worth it to keep. So I love snacks. I've been going through snack stagnation because I just keep eating the same snacks and I'm looking for new flavors. So I thought, why don't I get a monthly snack subscription? They send you different snacks from all over the world, and then it's as if I've gone to travel, and it'll give me a sense of the different culture and the different flavors around the world, and it'll be really yummy. So I have ordered from SnackCrate, Universal Yums, Treats, and MunchPak. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So the first one that we're gonna try is called MunchPak. Okay, here we go. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, this is so cute. It says, this MunchPak was made with love just for you. Special offer just for you, 20% off your next store order. Wow, okay. Ooh, are they gonna tell me what country this is from? Wrap Snacks? Wavy. Wrap Snacks Wavy Cardi B Jerk Barbecue. Oh my gosh, Cardi B has potato chips. That's insane. I love potato chips. I have to. So I'm just gonna try each one as I get them. Wow, that is a giganto potato chip. Mmm. Sweet and spicy barbecue potato chip. I wouldn't say that it's spicy. It's definitely got jerk seasoning and jerk flavor. Mmm. I love snacks that give you some type of motivational quote. It says, stay true to who you are. That's amazing. Mmm. That was yummy. So this is interesting for MunchPak. It seems like they gave me snacks from different countries, because some of the other ones have, like, for instance, these are all Russian snacks. These are snacks from the Netherlands. And it's interesting, they gave me snacks from different countries. So this one, oh, this Cardi B one, it says USA on the label. This one says Philippines. So this is a Boy Bawang Cornic barbecue flavor. Okay, another barbecue flavor, which is interesting. It says fried corn snacks. Oh my gosh, how hard is this to open? That's like a bad snack design. Like, you never want a snack that's hard to open. This one's okay. It tastes like, you know, corn nuts? I mean, corn nuts are a little bit too hard for me. Sometimes I feel like I'm gonna break my teeth. But these are like a softer corn nut with like a very subtle barbecue flavor. I wouldn't say that the barbecue flavor is as sweet or as strong as the other one, but still good. Okay, what is this? Tahado Choco Sand Rum Raisin flavor from Japan. Wow, okay, so this is a crunchy shortbread cookie with rum raisin flavored cream. Does this really have rum? Because, you know, I can't really have alcohol, so it does not have rum. It's just rum flavored. Here's, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Mmm. Definitely tastes like rum. It's sweet. It's crunchy. It's not really my type of flavor because I don't really want an alcoholic flavored snack, but it's interesting. It's definitely like a new flavor that I've never had. Ooh, gummies! Eat Fruity Monkey Party gummies from Chyna. Chewy, strawberry, and banana flavored gummies in the shape of monkeys. Oh my gosh, how cute. Mmm. Monkey party. I would definitely have a monkey party with these. Good. Okay, these are Fajny Biscuit Fine Bakeries Crunchy Wafer from Poland. Wow. Crunchy wafer bars with milk hazelnut cream and coated in chocolate. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. I'm so glad I did this. not as sweet as I thought it would be. Oh, now it's sweet. Okay, so it's not sweet at the beginning. The wafer's okay. The chocolate's okay. I would probably not eat this. I'll probably just give all of this to Bruce. Because he'll like it. Oh my gosh, are these like nerds? These are called Brain Blasters, apple and strawberry sour candy from the United Kingdom. Oh my gosh, they're gonna be like sour nerds. So I don't really like sour candy. It's a little bit too like hard to bear, but oh my gosh, this is so hard to open. So usually, you know, for these type of packagings, they have a little tab that you can just pull, you know, and then it'll open the box really easily. It's interesting because, oh my gosh, I can't open this, you guys. This is so hard to open. I need to have some sort of snack opener. I do love this type of dispenser because it's kind of like, you know, you flip it up and then you like, so you have to flip it up and you have to like pop open this little tab and then you can just like dispense. So I'm gonna try the strawberry flavor first. It looks like this. It's not too sour because actually it's a 1 on the sour scale, so I like it. It's really good. I'm gonna try the other one. The other one is apple flavor. Hey, how come I got some apple flavor in my strawberry one? Yummy. Brain Blasters. Love it. Okay. I've had these before. These are latte panda cookies, but I have never had March's caramel flavor. So these are these have sweet caramel cream inside, and they're from Japan. These koala cookies you can get at like Ranch 99. We have a lot of Japanese supermarkets around us, so it's easy for us to get these. But these are like super good. I love these. They're so cute. Look how cute they are. So, I've had the ones that are chocolate inside. They're really good. The cookie is really crispy. The caramel is definitely caramel, so it's a bit sweet. Oh my gosh, Oreos. Milka Oreo sandwich bar from Romania. Wow, that's a surprise. Okay. 100% alpine milk. This must be some type of partnership that they have with Oreo. Oh my gosh, how exciting. Okay. This is hard to open. I really should prepare a pair of scissors next time. It'll be easier to open. So this is the second chocolatey thing. Okay. This is what it looks like. It's an Oreo cookie inside a chocolate bar. I mean, the chocolate is definitely better than the chocolate from this Polish chocolate bar because, oops, I dropped some. The chocolate in this one almost tastes like they have toffee inside. It's really smooth and creamy, so this is super yummy. 2 more snacks left. So this is a Momoji corn stick roasted corn flavor from Indonesia. This must be like, oh my gosh, you guys, is this cancer and reproductive harm P65 warning? So yeah, I mean, MunchPak gets an automatic like thumbs down for this snack because you really should look into the health concerns of any snacks that have warning like this because this is usually for, you know, things that have lead or some type of additives or chemicals that can cause cancer and birth defects. So, I mean, I'm gonna eat it, but still, I'm just a little like, first of all, why are you even including this in my box? Because I usually avoid buying products with that P65 warning. It's a good snack. It almost tastes like a cereal, you know? almost like those corn puffs, a corn puff type of cereal. But I don't like that it can cause cancer and reproductive harm. Oh my gosh. Oh, the last snack. Okay, this is a cola flavored hard candy. It's called Ulker Bon Bon. It's a hard candy with a refreshing cola flavor. So, let's try it. Are they individually wrapped? Yes, they are. Ooh. Mmm. Definitely tastes like cola. This is yummy. And it's actually from Turkey. Wow. So, my thoughts on my very first box from MunchPak. I really liked it. It was really good. I actually like that they gave me snacks from all different countries. So you get a sampling from all different snacks. I don't know if it's because it's my first box, so that's what they did. I'm gonna wait for my second box just to see what that's like, if it's actually from a certain country. But I'm really pleased with it. I think these snacks are really yummy. In general, the only thing I didn't like I said, this has a P65 warning, which not good for the health. I don't like that they actually included it in the box. All the other things are just a really nice wide variety of flavors. There are some things that I would pass on, like I wouldn't eat this again, it's just okay. But all the other, and then I wouldn't eat this rum raisin thing again. I would probably pass on this. But I really like the potato chips. I think they're funny. They kind of give you a laugh because, you know, it's got Cardi B on it and it has like, you know, stay true to who you are in front of it. This one, I mean, I've had just because I'm near Asian supermarkets, but if you're not, then these koala cookies are always really good. These are like sour nerds, which I've had, but I can imagine that if you've never had nerds, you would like these because they're a different type of texture. So all in all, it's a really good variety, lots of different flavors, lots of different textures, so it's a good one.